The Blendtec, the KitchenAid, or Breville? Perhaps the product Vitamix or the Ninja? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 blenders for smoothies and ice available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 blenders for smoothies and ice. The 5th product on this list is the KitchenAid K150. Smoothies taste best when chilled, and one of the best ways to make it is so by blending your fruit and veggies with ice. So, while some blenders will smoothly combine your fruit, they are not efficient in blending ice. The K150 blender by KitchenAid has efficient power to turn ice into snow in a few seconds. This product has a powerful motor with an intelligent speed that starts to pull the ingredients into the blade slowly and increases to whatever setting you put it on. Its design is impressive because it prevents the ingredients in the jar from splattering. The blades are efficient enough to blend your ice and fruit mix to create a smooth and consistent texture. And thanks to its asymmetric design, which blends our 4 angles, all the ingredients are pulled into the center so that none is left unblended. We particularly like that the plastic lid fits tightly on the jar, preventing splatter as you blend. You can choose from 3 speed options to get the right blending power for your ingredients. There's also an ice crush setting designed to crush ice optimally. This setting operates with more power than the other speed settings. When you finish blending your ingredients, pouring them out of the blender is easy because the carry handle on the jar has a good grip, while the spout design on the tip of the jar will prevent spills. The blending jar has a 48-ounce capacity, but if you want other jars with smaller capacities, you can buy them separately. Furthermore, this product is easy to maintain because you can use a kitchen towel to wipe the bottom or motor part, rinse the jar and lid with water, or place it in a dishwasher. Its pros are, the jar locks in place with the bottom, the intelligent motor maintains a set speed to ensure consistency when you blend, and it is effortless to clean. However, its cons are, it doesn't come with extra blending cups, and it lacks preset time settings. The KitchenAid K150 is recommended for those who want a blender with simple settings that are easy to use. Up next in 4th place is the Ninja. If you are looking for a compact yet durable blender with different capacities, this Ninja blender is worth considering, and here's why. Unlike the KitchenAid, this product comes with 3 blending cups of varying sizes that fit on a single base. The largest blending cup has a 72-ounce capacity that can make large batches of smoothies, frappes, frozen drinks, and other drinks large enough for an entire family. The 40-ounce cup serves as a processing bowl because its blades can chop foods. Also, the 40-ounce bowl comes in handy for making dough and batter since it has a dough hook that makes the process convenient. For pureeing, this bowl blends fruits and vegetables well, yet it cannot blend the seeds of some fruits to a super smooth consistency. We liked the 18-ounce blending cup because it works well for fruits and veggies and can serve as a cup to drink your smoothie on the go. Moreover, the very stable base houses a powerful motor, and the speed settings and programs are very accessible, making the blender easy to control. The programs on this blender include a start and stop function, pulse, and separate functions for a smoothie, mix the dough, and a frozen drink. By holding down the pulse function for some seconds or longer, the motor works with a continuous burst of power to blend your ingredients or crush your ice and automatically shuts off if overloaded to prevent damage. What we liked more about the blender were the different blades that came with the package, which made it versatile. We also appreciated that it was easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean. Lastly, all the blending cups and blades are dishwasher safe. Its pros are, it has an auto shutoff safety feature, it is a versatile unit with multiple accessories, and it has a powerful ice crushing ability. However, the larger jug does not blend some fruit seeds smoothly. The Ninja is ideal for those who want a blender that can be altered to suit the needs of multiple people. Still haven't found a blender for smoothies and ice that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Breville Fresh and Furious. If you are familiar with Breville, then you know that there is barely any doubt about the durability and functionality of their products. This product may not be as versatile as the Ninja blender, but it is a device that you will want to invest in because of how efficient it is at turning fruits and veggies into smoothies and crushing ice into snow. Its 50-ounce jug will make enough smoothies for a medium-sized family. The motor isn't only powerful but works quietly too. And with the 5 speed settings, you can choose whether you want to mix, chop, blend, puree, or liquefy your ingredients. There are also some control functions for blending and enhancing the power of the motor to crush ice. We also liked the LCD that acted as a timer for whatever speed setting we selected, giving us complete control over the process and providing protection against overload. What's more, this blender locks firmly to the base, and when you have to take it out, the ergonomic handle makes it easy to do so. Also, the lid is sealed tight to prevent spillage when blending, and we like the ring pull design on the lid, which made it easy to pull it out when necessary. Furthermore, the auto clean feature functions efficiently by taking out residue from the jar within seconds. Best of all, Breville offers a 3-year warranty for this product for your peace of mind. Its pros are: the surgical-grade stainless steel blade blends fruits and veggies smoothly without leaving seed residues. The pre-programmed buttons are easy to use, and it has a small footprint on your countertop or in your cupboard. However, it doesn't come with extra accessories. The Breville Fresh and Furious is recommended for those who want a powerful and reliable blender that won't take up too much space in the kitchen. The second product on this list is the Vitamix E310 Explorian. We consider the Vitamix E310 Explorian a classic blender because it is sturdy, durable, highly functional, and versatile. If you own a Vitamix Legacy container or accessories from the Vitamix G Series or Classic C Series, you can use them with this unit as they are compatible. This blender is built sturdily to handle all the tasks you throw its way. Not only is this an ice and smoothie blender, but you can also use it to mix batter and dough, make a puree, create dressings as well as dips and sauces, and even grind nuts into butter. The blades are made from aircraft-grade stainless steel, which can handle tough ingredients like nuts and provide consistent results. These blades have a minimum speed of 1,400 rotations per minute and a maximum speed of 22,600 rotations per minute. This means it can blend pretty much anything without breaking a sweat. Lastly, we liked that the available buttons were pretty easy to understand and use, with no need to look at the instruction booklet. Its pros are: it has a self-cleaning feature and is easy to clean by hand. The motor can operate at 22,600 RPM, making it very effective, and the stainless steel blade is durable. However, the noise level is pretty high. The Vitamix E310 Explorian is recommended for anyone looking for a high-performance blender that's compatible with other items from the same company. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top blender for smoothies and ice is the Blendtec Classic Wildside. If you've been searching for a heavy-duty blender that can crush ice in seconds and effortlessly blend different ingredients to produce consistent results, the Blendtec Classic Wildside may be your best bet. Although this unit comes with 6 pre-programmed blending cycles, unlike the other blenders we talked about, you can still customize your settings with the 10 speed control buttons to get your desired result. This is a versatile bit of equipment for different cooking needs, because you can make smoothies, appetizers, main courses, and desserts using it. You don't even have to take out the lid to add your ingredients, and the measuring markings on it to give you an idea of the quantity of ingredients inside it. The combination of its powerful motor and stainless steel blade enhances its blending power, so that every ingredient that goes into the jar comes out with the right consistency and texture. Even better, the large 75-ounce blending jar can conveniently serve 3 to 4 people. What we liked more with this blender is that we were able to concentrate on doing other things while blending because of the timer function, which automatically stops the blender once it hits 0. The LCD on the base makes it easy to set this timer function and is probably the most useful feature. Additionally, when you are through with blending, add some warm water and dish soap to the jar. Press the auto cleaning button and allow it to run for a few seconds. Otherwise, you can throw it in your dishwasher. Either way, it's effortless to clean, so it saves you time and effort. So if you're looking to make perfectly blended smoothies and ice every time, this device is well worth the investment. Its pros are: it gives easy access to add ingredients into the jar without removing the lid. It has an excellent timer function so you can do other things while it works. It comes with a massive 8-year warranty, and it has 10 variable speeds and 6 pre-programmed settings. However, it can be quite loud on higher settings. The Blendtec Classic Wildside is ideal for home chefs who need a highly functional blender that they can use to try out a wide range of different smoothie recipes. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.